A dangerous man is not born angry. He is created when patience runs out and he finally stops sacrificing himself for people who never valued him. He once trusted, fully believing loyalty meant something until he learned how easily people betray you when their convenience matters much more than their character does. The moment the ugly truth finally surfaced, something inside him cracked. Because that betrayal didn't just hurt, it completely rewrote how he sees people forever. He replayed every single memory, realizing the red flags were always there, but he ignored them because he desperately wanted to believe in the good. That painful betrayal teaches him that giving trust without boundaries is pure self-destruction, and offering love without proper discernment is actually a massive liability. He stops offering access to his heart freely because he understands that not everyone deserves the rare version of him that still knows how to love deeply. Once trust is finally broken, he becomes guarded, calculating, and completely impossible to manipulate in the same naive way that he once was in the past. The second reason begins the moment he realizes that every time he needed help, he was expected to figure it out entirely on his own. He remembers constantly showing up for everyone else while nobody ever showed up for him when he was struggling silently in the darkest moments of life. That cold realization kills his comfort and replaces it with discipline because his survival becomes a personal responsibility that he can no longer delegate to others. He stops waiting for external reassurance and starts preparing for worst-case scenarios without depending on anyone else to provide a safety net for his fall. His expectations die and his focus sharpens because constant disappointment taught him that total self-reliance is always safer than having blind hope in other people. When a man finally accepts that nobody is coming to save him, he becomes resilient, calculated, and extremely hard to break by the chaos of life. He used to explain himself, hoping clarity would fix problems, but he learned that some people understand perfectly and still choose to disrespect him regardless. The more he talked, the more his words were twisted and used against him or ignored entirely by those who claimed they wanted to hear his side. Eventually, he realizes that maintaining absolute silence protects his peace and energy better than those endless circular conversations ever did in the past years. When he stops reacting emotionally, people grow uncomfortable because they realize they no longer control the narrative or have the power to disturb his mental state. He learns that true power always lives in restraint and self-control, not in the volume of his voice or the depth of his explanation. A quiet man who observes everything instead of reacting to anything is far more dangerous than the loud man who argues with the world constantly. He once naively believed that true fairness existed in this world if you just followed the rules and stayed patient through the hard times. Then he watched dishonest people win big while honest people suffered without consequences ever arriving for the ones who caused all the damage involved. That specific moment breaks his faith in broken systems and replaces it with his own personal judgment and a new code of absolute conduct. He stops expecting external justice to save him and starts enforcing rigid boundaries on his own terms, regardless of what society says is right. Once his belief in fairness dies, he becomes willing to do what others hesitate to do because he knows the world will not protect him. A man who no longer believes in fairness becomes decisive, ruthless, and impossible to deceive because he sees the world exactly as it is. Fear once controlled his decisions, keeping him cautious and small and hesitant to make the big moves required to change his life for the better. Living in constant fear taught him how quickly showing weakness invites disrespect and danger from those who are looking for a victim to exploit. The very first time he finally fought back against the pressure, something primal awakened inside him that he never knew existed before that day. He realized the hidden predator living inside him was actually stronger than the paralyzing fear that once ruled his every single waking moment completely. His fear transforms into sharp instinct and hesitation disappears completely as he realizes he is capable of handling whatever threat stands in his way. A man who no longer fears the consequences of confrontation becomes extremely dangerous because you can no longer use intimidation to make him submit. Long periods of forced isolation taught him exactly how alone he truly was, even when he was surrounded by people who claimed to care. Without support, his empathy slowly fades away and emotional numbness takes its place as a necessary shield against the pain of being ignored constantly. Every attempt to open up his heart ended in disappointment, silence, or dismissal, teaching him that vulnerability is a mistake he should not repeat. Eventually, he stopped expecting understanding from others and accepted solitude, instead finding peace in the silence that used to make him feel so lonely. Isolation sharpens his perception of reality, but simultaneously hardens his heart, making it difficult for anyone new to ever get close to him again. A man who becomes comfortable being entirely alone is no longer easily controlled because he does not need your validation to feel complete anymore. He never sought power initially, but once he tasted control, it changed how he moved and how he viewed the hierarchy of the world. He learned that power rewarded decisiveness and punished hesitation, teaching him that the only way to survive is to be the one calling the shots. He learned that true authority silences opposition faster than explanation, and that results matter more than trying to be liked by those beneath him. His natural empathy begins to fade when dominance becomes effective, proving that being feared gets things done faster than being loved ever could do. Power does not always corrupt, but it exposes the hunger inside him, showing everyone exactly what he is willing to do to maintain control. A man who truly understands the mechanics of power rarely gives it up peacefully because he knows the price of being powerless is too high. He loved deeply believing connection meant safety until he realized that giving someone your heart is just giving them the weapon to destroy you. When love became uncertain, insecurity replaced trust, and he decided that he would never again allow someone to have that kind of leverage over him. A dark obsession grows when fear of loss outweighs respect, leading him to tighten his grip rather than letting things flow naturally as before. Control begins disguised as protection because he convinces himself that if he manages every detail, he can prevent the heartbreak from happening again. Love without boundaries becomes dangerous for everyone involved because it turns into a battlefield where the only goal is to avoid getting hurt again. A man who confuses love with possession becomes unpredictable because he sees every act of independence as a threat to his own emotional survival. He searched desperately for meaning when life felt empty, hoping to find a cause that was worth more than the mundane existence he lived. A strict ideology gave him purpose, certainty, and belonging, filling the void where his personal connections and emotional stability used to exist in the past. Soon, his rigid beliefs mattered more than people, allowing him to justify actions that he would have considered morally wrong just a few years ago. Compassion disappeared, replaced by righteousness, as he began to see the world in black and white, knowing he was on the side of truth. Extreme action becomes justified when belief removes accountability because he acts for a higher cause rather than for his own personal gain or desires. Conviction without empathy creates monsters because when a man feels he is absolutely right, he will destroy anything that stands in his way without regret. He once believed effort would be rewarded if he worked hard enough, but the world showed him that effort does not guarantee any success. Life proved otherwise, repeatedly taking everything he built and leaving him with nothing but the lessons he learned from the rubble of his failures. As his hope faded, his fear disappeared because he realized that once you hit the bottom, there is nothing else that can hurt you. A terrifying calm replaces panic when consequences no longer matter, giving him the freedom to act without the mental chains that bind everyone else. A man with nothing left becomes fearless because you cannot threaten a man who has already lost everything that he ever cared about losing. And a fearless man is the most dangerous version of all because he operates without limits and will burn the world to build something new. Oh, that's hot. If you liked the video, subscribe for more.